Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Hi guys. You all must have already guessed by the title of this video. In this video, I am going to show you guys how I create multiple looks using the same choli pairing up with different lowers. I am a shopaholic, guys. But मैं जब भी कुछ buy करने जाती हूँ, my mind is always thinking how I can style it differently and not just wear it as it is. जैसे लोग mostly पंजाबी suits के साथ pants, plazos and simple lowers लेते हैं, I don't do that. I design or even buy my outfits thinking of other looks that can be created out of them. मैं simple trousers नहीं लेती हूँ. I try to go for skirts, gararas or even bell bottoms. So in this video, whatever lower you see me wearing are mixed and matched from my collection of Indian outfits and not just lehengas. So look 1 is all purple and that's the actual lehenga set. It has a simple sleeveless choli and this gorgeous embroidered jacket to layer on top of it, which I will be using for most of the looks today. The lehenga in this look is a very simple plain skirt without much detail work. For this look, I chose a golden box clutch and a sleek mang tika with loop earrings. This is a perfect look for days when you don't want to experiment much and still look gorgeous. For those of you who don't like to wear heavy lehengas and would rather stick to something comfortable and easy to carry off, you could just pair up your choli with a plazo from your suits, just as how I did for this look, and complement it with a jacket if you have one, or even a dupatta would look just as good. To complete this look, I went with my classic purple handbag that I picked up a couple of months back from Charles & Keith and perfected it with my tiny maroon jhumkas. For some occasions, the contrast look is my go-to look, guys, as it is subtle yet elegant. So here I paired up my choli and jacket with a gold and beige bell-bottom trousers, again from one of my Indian outfits. To put this look together, I wore my golden danglers and graced it up with my ethnic vintage looking gold sling. Guys, I love traditional and this is one of my favorite looks. Reason being that I'm using one of my favorite dupatta जिस पे golden gota work है and I love the golden jhalar on its hem. Those of you who are following me on Instagram must have noticed me wearing it with one of my other outfits. ये दुपट्टा and skirt उसी outfit का है. लुक को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मैंने गोल्डन लूप इयरिंग्स पहने हैं जिसमें पर्ल डिटेल्स हैं टू मैच विद माय गॉर्जियस माथा टीका. हाउ कैन अ ट्रेडिशनल लुक बी कंप्लीट विदाउट अ पोटली, गाइस? सो आई टुक दिस वन बिकॉज इट मैचेस परफेक्टली विद माय दुपट्टा. Let's get to the final look, guys. For this look, I tied up my hair into a sleek bun for a neat look. I would really recommend you guys to try this look if you have a short neck. It really elongates your neck visually. I kept the accessories pretty simple in this look. Wore a modern looking matha tika with small gold stud earrings. To achieve a bold look, I matched my bright color bindi with my lipstick. Oh, and not to forget the unique lotus potli, as it adds to the glam factor, I feel. So guys, these were the 5 looks I created from the same choli. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some ideas to style your choli when you wear it next time. There is loads and loads of content coming for you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and do share this video with your friends.